Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, very good afternoon to you. I would like to have my personal welcome back to Captain Lane. My name is Rachel Brown, and I'm your cabin service director on this flight to Bangalore International Airport. It is my pleasure to have you on board with us today and to welcome back our executive club members and our One World frequent flyers. I'll introduce my colleagues who are leading the teams in each of the cabins today. For those of you in World Traveller Plus and World Traveller, your person is Lisa. So I'm Rachel, and I'll be leading the team in the Club World cabin today. We also have crew members on board from our base in Bangalore. They'll be happy to answer any questions they have about their country. Their names are Mohit, Omar, Arjina and Vinny. As Captain Lane has already mentioned, whenever the seatbelt signs are on, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. We're also concerned about your well-being on board, and I will be screening a short film about this that we recommend you watch. You can find advice and various exercises designed for your journey in the well-being pages of Highlight magazine. Our Highlight shop will be open on this flight with our onboard range of goods that are competitively priced and many of which are exclusive to British Airways. To see what's on offer, please take a look at the back of Highlight shop magazine in your seat pocket. The in-flight entertainment will begin shortly, starting with our wellbeing video and a short guide on how the entertainment system works. If you'd like to plan your entertainment for the flights, then take a look at the back of Highlight magazine. There's plenty to keep you entertained with films, TV, music and radio. If there's something you'd rather your children didn't watch, let us know and we'll restrict the channels they can view. Just like to remind customers, if there's a particular crew member that adds a special touch to your journey today, you can thank them personally at ba.com/well done. And of course, if there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know as we pass through the cabin. We'll be more than happy to help you. In the meantime, thank you for listening. Please now sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight with us here at British Airways. पायलट सज्जन नमस्कार। हम आज की उड़ान के अन्य सेवाओं के बारे में आपको कुछ जानकारी देना चाहेंगे। आज की उड़ान पर 4 भारतीय विमान सेवक उपस्थित हैं। मैं एमजीना और मोहित वर्ल्ड ट्रैवलर चार्टर बस में काम करें। हमारे साथ में नीश और ओमर क्लब वर्ल्ड कैबिन में काम कर रहे हैं। हम आपसे हिंदी, कन्नड़ा, गुजराती और तमिल भाषा में बात कर सकते हैं। आपकी सुविधा के लिए जरूरी है कि जब तक कुर्सी की पेटी बांधने का संकेत बुझा न दिया जाए, कृपया अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी कंबल के ऊपर बांधे रखें। हम सभी एग्जीक्यूटिव क्लब मेंबर्स और वन वर्ल्ड फ्रीक्वेंट फ्लायर्स का खास स्वागत करना चाहेंगे। हमारे विमान सेवक जल्दी आपको जापान कर देंगे। जितनी चीज़ों की बिक्री भोजन के बाद अपनी कुर्सी के पास आकर की जाएगी। यदि आपको उड़ान के दौरान किसी प्रकार की सहायता चाहिए तो किसी भी विमान सेवक को संपर्क करें। धन्यवाद।